Hey Patty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Your Family's Not Invited to Our Wedding Prank, Milo and Hazel by request. Let's get into it.
And my sisters, because that's my immediate family.
Obviously for me too, you could just say mom and sisters. Or, yeah.
Hold on, babe, I'll get back to you. What's up, little army? Welcome back to our channel. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be pranking Milo again. Basically, I'm going to be telling him his family is not invited to our wedding. That is a very controversial, very not okay thing to say to your significant other if you're planning on getting married. Obviously, when you come together, your families combined as one holy union of two becoming one. So obviously that's very important to us, and I literally have no reason to not want to invite his family. So it's going to be very interesting to see his reaction and to see what he's going to say about it, because I literally have no reasons to be like, yeah, by the way, your family's not coming to our wedding. I don't know if I should say like your mom's not coming, or maybe like whole family's more dramatic. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here and do this little intro before I get this video started. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
What is up, Halo Army? It's your boy Milo.
It's the girl Hazel.
And what are we doing today, Sean?
Today, we're going to do a little bit of wedding planning. Right now, I think we're going to focus on getting our guest list together. I feel like that's one of the first things that you do when you're planning a wedding. Also, a preview on what we want to do for invitations.
From our last video that we did talking about our wedding, and we did our little couple quizzes and everything, a lot of you guys were very intrigued. We thought this video in particular would be an incredible way for us to connect with you guys as well.
We want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, The Knot. So on The Knot, you can shop hundreds of affordable invitations.
All right, girl, they got a sponsor. That's impressive.
A custom edit for free.
Crazy.
So that's amazing.
That's crazy. You guys, and a crazy thing about The Knot is you can save so much.
My mom and my sisters, because that's my immediate family.
Obviously for me too, you could just say mom and sisters. Or, yeah.
Hold on, babe, I'll get back to you. Let me see. Oh, my cousins in Chicago, definitely.
Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all know. First of all, I don't know. I mean, hopefully Hazel really ain't got no problem with his mom or nothing, but like, you let my son, his girlfriend, I don't even want that to be no prank. Like, you ain't gonna invite me to the wedding, really? We gonna have problems. Woo! Also, if he go ahead and keep marrying her and I ain't invited to the wedding, that's another whole issue, but don't even suggest it. He like need to walk out like right now. But I know he not though. They in love.
Let me see. Oh, my friends from Chicago.
We're supposed to go back and forth,
Jaren.
baby.
Huh?
We're supposed to go back and forth.
Okay, who do you want, baby?
Put my mom and family
We'll go back
down.
to that. Who else do you want?
My mom and my sisters.
I'll write it down later.
Put mother.
I'll write
Milo's
it down later.
Mother.
Babe,
put my mother.
I'll write it down later.
Why?
Because who else? Anyone else?
My mom.
Babe,
First my mom.
I'll write it down later. Anyone else?
Yes, I will get there. First write down my mom. We were supposed to go back and forth.
I will write it in a second. Who else do you want?
Write it now.
No, I'll write it in a second. Who else do you want?
My friends.
Okay, who?
Write my mom.
Johnny, right?
Yeah.
Sam. Noah.
Richard. Jay.
Who else?
Riss and Quan. My mom and my sisters. My mom and my sisters. Riss and Quan's family. Why aren't you writing my mom?
Baby, I'll write it in a second.
Why?
Why are you making a big deal out of it?
Why are you being weird?
How am I being weird?
We making a big deal out of my mama. I bet I'd cross hers out. Y'all know I'm petty. But seriously, write it in yourself. There's the pen, sir. I mean, seriously, like, she ain't got it right. I would write it myself if I was him.
Weird.
Write my mom.
Babe.
Why are you?
I don't want to.
Why?
Because they're not going to be invited.
That was stupid. That was like, that was so stupid. I don't even know why you would say that. That was like stupid.
Serious.
I know that
they're
felt
not gonna
weird.
Be invited.
I know it felt like your freaking throat had a clog in it getting that one out. I know that did not come out right. Are you serious?
Yes.
Why would you? Write my mom down. I'm not playing with you.
We're cutting all of this out.
Write my freaking mom down. What are you talking about?
I don't want her coming to the wedding.
Why?
Because I don't want none of your family coming to my wedding.
Oh, no, you're tweaking. Then I'm not coming to our wedding. What the heck?
You're not going to marry me just because I won't invite your family?
Just listen. Like, what reason?
Yes. Thank you, Milo.
Would you have?
I have my reasons. And
like what?
You should just know. They're not invited.
All right, to all the petty fan fellas. When chicks say you should just know, she know you ain't got no idea what we talking about. But then she just want to hold it over your head like you should have had it. Well, I mean, sometimes they should know some things like my favorite color, my favorite food. So that depends. But in this case, she capping.
In fact, none of your family's invited.
Oh, no, you're tripping.
I'll just make my own list, actually.
Why are you being weird?
How am I being weird?
What do you mean my family ain't coming? You're just gonna make your own list. Like, what?
They're not coming. Why should they come?
They've literally supported us from the start of our relationship to now. Like, what the freak?
Is there anyone else you want on here?
My mom.
No.
My sisters.
Nope. Not
Oscar.
invited. Not invited.
Oscar.
First of all, and you dealing with females, you got a whole family full of females, you know? And I think he said before he was a baby, like, they gonna crash the party. They gonna crash the wedding if they not invited, because they might drag him down the aisle. You do not want to mess with a family full of females, y'all. Not about her son. Not about their little brother. Nope.
Not invited. Sorry, babe. We're gonna have to compromise. So.
You're right. We're just not getting married, I guess.
Are you serious? We're not getting married?
That part.
I could understand.
It's about getting married is about you marrying me.
I could understand if my family did something to make you do that, but at this point, you're just like, okay, none of your family is invited. Only my family, my cousins, my friends, and your friends are invited. Like,
I just think we should be more focused about what I want for this wedding, you know? I'm the bride, so I think it's safe to say that
Can my grandma come?
I'll think about that one. I'll put a question mark next to her name. Grandma, question mark.
You're joking. You gotta be joking, bro. You gotta be joking.
Babe, come on. Should we just redo this video later?
Yeah.
Are you mad?
Put my mom, bro.
I'm not.
Put my
I don't
mom.
want her coming.
Baby, please put my mom.
No. I love you.
No, you don't.
You're not gonna kiss me?
No.
Why?
Do you feel like you just... That was stabbing me in the neck. Do you feel like you
Sorry.
deserve a kiss?
Yes, I'm your fiance. Of course I deserve a kiss.
You're telling me my mom can't come to our wedding just because? Like, hey, no reason. None of your family is invited and your grandma? Oh, I'll think about her.
I said maybe. What's the deal? What's the big deal?
Bro, that's sad because you know how much my grandma adores you.
Baby, that's why I put a question mark to her name. She's not automatically blocked off. She's being considered.
Why is that even?
So it's lucky. You're lucky. It's being considered. She's not off the table completely.
Why is that even a thought that?
All right, Hazel, this is not the real wedding, and like she's being considered. She's lucky. Don't estimate grandma, because grandma is an OG. I know already. Like, you're not gonna invite the rest of the family. Grandma will come in there and set things straight.
Going through your mind, like, maybe.
Baby,
like, what the heck?
you should just understand where I'm coming from.
No, I don't, and I feel like you're joking.
So I'm not joking.
Turn the camera off then. First.
Thank you. Is Milo the most patient guy that's on YouTube? Because I don't know if how many other people would do this prank so calmly. Like, I don't know if, like, I mean, do she run the relationship? I hate to say that, but she always be pulling these pranks, and either he real calm, and I know they in love because they engaged, and that's great. And I don't want them not to be calm because, you know, you don't want no kind of violent relationship, toxic or whatever. But at the same time, she always look like she just be trying him. Like, and I don't know if that's because she know he calm or he just don't like confrontation, or like she really just be like, okay, I'm in charge, you know. I don't know. She type A or something. Y'all let me know, because I don't know. All the ones I watched, it seemed like she be always pulling his card.
Turn it off. Turn it off, and then we can have the conversation, and then I'll see if you're serious or not.
Babe, I'm dead serious.
I think he mad, though. I could tell he frustrated. Like, he about to get a whole headache because he just can't believe this is happening.
Yes. Go turn it off. Go turn it off.
This is
I don't
exactly
care.
why.
I'm being serious. I don't want them to come, and you should understand that it's my wedding. You're ugly. That was an ugly laugh.
Bridezilla be darn. Like,
Okay, who else?
Put your dog. Put your cat.
Halo definitely gotta be there. Cielo, I don't think so. But Halo should be there. What do you think?
My nieces.
None of your family, baby. None of your family. I don't want none of your family.
Baby, I swear, promise. Look me in my eyes and tell me you're not kidding. Tell me you're not joking right now.
Baby, I'm not joking.
Tell me you're not joking right now.
Jerking?
Tell me you're not joking right now. Look me in my eyes and tell me you're not joking.
Babe, I'm not joking. What's so hard to believe about that? You're ugly. You look like a bug.
Now put my mom down.
No.
I'm not, baby, I swear.
They're not invited.
Baby, I swear.
They're not invited.
Put my mom down.
I don't want them coming to
baby,
our wedding.
Put my mom down. Put my mother down right now. I'm not even showing up.
So you're gonna not marry me for?
that's what you need to do. Let her pay for it and then don't show up.
Your mom?
You literally just said, this is my wedding. I think only the things that I want should go. I think none of your family should be invited. Your nieces can't even come. Your mom can't come. Your sisters can't come. Your grandma can't.
It's about me. It's my wedding.
If you cannot sit back.
So,
girl, that's a way into yourself that you planning. Like, you got like one of those, I'm an independent woman. You know, we're going to do this way. I'm marrying myself weddings. Like, this is not no marriage to no person. No, you know. You got to, it's two sides. They ask you which side you gonna sit on, and so the other side of the church gonna be just empty, the other side of the venue hall gonna be just blank. Y'all just gonna have just general seating for everybody, right? Including your animals. Like, girl, you need to just laugh her out, because he getting mad now.
Analyze everything you're saying in your head and realize how fucked up it is. You got some serious issues, baby girl. That's not acceptable. My mother is coming to our wedding 1,000 million trillion %.
And what if I really don't want her to?
That's not an option.
How is it not an option?
I can understand if she did something, if she did anything that gave.
Even if she did something, you know, it might be a little piece of consideration, you know? But, like... So now she gonna act like she did something, you know?
That idea and made you not want her there, I would 100% understand. Nothing happened. You're just saying, I don't want your family there. Like, it's not even just my mom. It's my sisters, her husband, my nieces, my grandma. Like, what the hell is wrong with you? That's not funny. That's how I know you're joking. You can't even look at me with your little cute ass.
How you gonna compliment me while you're screaming at me?
Because I know you're joking. I'm not screaming at you.
I'm not joking,
Stop playing with me.
Can we get back to our video?
And then, how you gonna call her cute? She called him ugly 3 times.
Put my mom down.
Can we get back to our video?
Put my mother down. Erase Halo, because she is not coming.
Halo's coming.
She be farting unnecessarily, bro, just for no reason. She did.
Y'all got a dog with gas coming to the wedding? That's wrong.
And look back, I ain't got no time for that. No, we ain't gonna have no ventilation.
I'm gonna be more lenient. I'm gonna say your nieces can come. Okay, I'll put them down.
My sister has to come to watch.
Who is gonna, thank you, who gonna watch them? Who gonna bring the nieces? Nieces are just gonna all of a sudden grow up and just pop up there. You gonna send your kid by Uber to go to his wedding? No.
Watch him, because I can't watch him. I'm gonna be at an altar.
Okay, I'll put your sister down.
Okay.
And that's it.
And then put my grandma.
I'll put a check next to grandma.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Now,
Okay,
last but not least, put my mother.
That's it.
Put my
I'm
mom.
gonna write the rest of my list. Thanks. Stop. Your mom's not coming. Why are you ripping on my guesses? I don't care. I'll just rewrite it. I know who I want to be at my wedding. So.
Do not eat my gummy.
Please?
Don't
Which
eat my
one
gummy
was
bears.
really good?
Ooh, the blue one. The blue one is fire. Bussin', right?
Yeah.
Now, can you tell me that you're just joking?
No, your mom's not coming. Can we get back to our video? Guess we filmed this for no reason. Because you just want to argue with me about who I want at my wedding.
I'm literally silently praying to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ that you are joking with me, because this is like how you actually feel. Like, I'm gonna be very concerned.
I'm being dead serious. I don't want your mother at our wedding.
Why?
Because I don't.
Oh, you pray, Milo. Go keep praying, baby. Who these pranks? I mean, she got like pranks stored up for like they marriage, the wedding day. She a savage with these.
Bro, you're weird.
I don't care.
You're really weird.
I don't care.
You're like weirder than the definition
I
of
don't
weird.
care. It's what I want. So
If you search up
it's
weird,
what I want. So that's what's gonna happen.
If
you understand?
search up weird in dictionary.com,
Do you hear me?
your face will literally be
I don't
on the main
care. I
page.
don't care.
You're abnormal.
So okay, that's the plan then, right?
No.
Yes, it is. I'm not changing my mind.
I don't care. I am.
All right, bye. No, you're not.
What you gonna
Guess
do?
we're not getting married.
If I just pull up with my mother, what are you gonna do?
Leave.
Well, I'm
then
sorry.
I'm gonna be the one leaving.
If that's what it comes to, and you leave because I bring my mom to our wedding when when she's done nothing wrong to you,
Goodbye.
then
I'm
you're.
leaving.
Hazel doing the most. She left the thing. I didn't expect that. She took her notebook and her phone. He just staring at the empty space. Luckily, he has his fruit snakes to calm him down. Poor thing.
Baby, I'm just playing. Baby, I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Stop.
I'm just
playing.
playing. It was
I know
a joke.
you're just playing.
No, you're not. You're really getting mad.
Because like, who does stuff like that?
Baby, it was a joke. Obviously, your mom's coming to our wedding. What the heck?
No, you don't like her.
Like you said, I have no reason.
You don't like her or something?
No, I love her.
Then why you being mean to her?
It was a joke, baby. You think I'm that dramatic to be like your whole family cannot come to our wedding? I would never do that to you. You hear me? Even if there was really some problems, I would never do that to you. You hear me? Give me a kiss. No. Are you mad?
No, I was hurt.
You were hurt?
She didn't do anything to you.
So did it get you good?
I was actually getting mad.
I know you were.
I'm sorry.
I got him good again
No,
with the
you
panties
didn't.
thing.
I knew it was a prank. This prank wasn't cool, by the way.
Why?
This wasn't nice. It was
I'm
mean
sorry,
as hell.
babe.
You came out of retirement. I gotta get back on track.
She's back and she's better.
It's not acceptable. It's over with.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. We love you guys so much.
As always,
Look how he's chewing. He's still chewing mad.
remember having added lit opportunity.
So keep your halos.
And keep your head up, my G.
Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.